All right, so we are going to solve this problem. So it says if f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3 and g of x is equal to x squared minus 7, we want to then find f plus g of x. So that means we're going to take f of x and we're going to add to it g of x. All right, so f of x is this whole thing right here. So we're going to write 2x squared plus 3. You can put this in parentheses, but because we're adding and because it's what comes first, we don't need to. So I'm not going to because there's no reason to keep it separate. And then we're going to do our g of x. So our g of x is this. Now, again, because we're adding, I don't need to put parentheses because positives aren't going to change anything. If this was minus, I would want to put this side in parentheses because that minus is going to change some things about it. This aren't, it's positive. So now what we have to do, and I'll go ahead and switch to red, is we need to find the like terms. So 2x squared and x squared are like terms because they both have an x squared. So this is going to be 2x squared plus x squared. If you don't see a number in front of a letter, there's always a 1, so I'm going to stick that in there. So 2 plus 1 is 3, so we have 3x squared. Okay. Then we have our other like terms, which are our constants. So we have 3 minus 7. You can plug this into Desmos or any other calculator and get an answer. Because I'm doing this by hand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to plus and change this to minus. It's the same thing. So we're really doing 3 plus and negative 7. And so when we do that, we get a negative 4. So we subtract, and then because 7 is the one that's negative, then we get a 4. And this will be our final answer because there are no more like terms to combine. And we were just getting what f plus g of x. So we added them together, and we combined like terms, and now we're done. So this will be our answer.